Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra. Today we're going to make the math quiz again, but single version. The last time we did multiple version, but today we're gonna do single version, which would be quick, probably 1 minute. Okay? So for that, what we made the dictionary, what did it do? It made multiple empty dictionary basically. It made a multiple version for the math quiz. But if we take up we want to make it single, my bad. We want to make it single. So for that, we have to take take out the dictionary. The empty dictionary. So people we have to take out. And you guys know we have to also take out the variety range total people thing. Take that out. Delete this over here. Now, where is that? Yes, we don't need people because you know what already is there, right? And now for the names. Oh my god. Okay, for iron range, that just took a lot of work. Basically, it did. Else has to go. That isn't it. And that's it. Tower one. My bad. Let's do this again. After one. We can choose actually anything. 0.2 minus 2, 9. Let's go down, guys. Minus 7. 5 times 4, 20. That basically means 5 times 4 when you see the star. Minus 2. 1 point. And that's it. Okay? That was pretty short. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to make the math quiz, but single version. Okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment. Please do that. You can do anything to the subscribe button or the like button. Just hit it. Please hit it. Just hit it. Okay?